Today, we'll walk through the simple steps to unhide a group on the WhatsApp PC app, thanks to the latest update. If you've archived a group and want to bring it back to your main chat list, you're in the right place. First, open your WhatsApp application on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Next, look over to the left side of your screen. You will see a menu with different options. Click on Archived Chats. This is where all your archived conversations, including groups, are stored. Now scroll through your archived chats to find the specific group you want to unhide. Keep an eye out for the group name, as this will help you identify it quickly. Once you've located the group, right-click on it. A menu will pop up with a few options. Now click on Unarchive Chat. This action will restore the group back to your main chat list, allowing you easy access again. And that's it. You've successfully unhidden a group on the WhatsApp PC app. It's a straightforward process that can help you stay organized and keep track of your important conversations. So, the next time you need to access an archived group, remember these simple steps. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using WhatsApp and other apps. Happy chatting.